In this first scene, we're looking at our underscore variables SCSS file. This is a Sass partial, which can be identified by the underscore at the beginning of its file name. Partials are a great way to modularize your CSS by breaking it into smaller, more manageable chunks. Here, we're defining some Sass variables, $primary color and $font stack. These variables can then be reused throughout our application to ensure consistency in our styling. Moving on to our underscore Mixins SCSS file, we see the @forward rule being used at the top. This feature of Sass lets us bring variables from other files into the current context. By forwarding variables from our underscore variables SCSS, we make them available in our underscore Mixins SCSS file. Next, we define a couple of Mixins, font stack and primary color, which utilize the variables we've just included. Mixins help us write reusable styles that can be included in multiple places in our style sheet. Now let's take a look at our main SCSS file. Here, we're using the @forward rule again, this time include our Mixins. With these Mixins now in scope, we apply them to the body element with the @include directive. The font stack Mixin sets our font family, and we directly use the $primary color variable to set the background color, demonstrating how forwarded variables and Mixins can be used seamlessly in our styles. Finally, we're in our index.jsx file, which is a page component in our Next.js application. At the top, we import main SCSS, bringing all the styles we've set up into the component. The result is a stylized page consistent with the design variables and Mixins we've defined. With Sass and Next.js working together, we can create well-organized, maintainable, and efficient styles for our applications.